If you are a dark skin and you don't know the kind of lipstick to use because you're dark and you feel that the lipstick will be too large, just try these ones and you see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Miss Licious. I'm a YouTuber based in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. So guys, I know I have not been uploading a lot, pardon me, I've been so busy, but I promise you guys I'll be uploading twice a week by God's grace, because I really want to take my YouTube career seriously. I really love filming, I love editing and everything, so I promise you guys I'll try as much as possible to upload video twice a week or 3 times a week. And if you have any videos idea for me, please leave it down in the comment below. I really appreciate it, guys. So guys, it's not be easy. A lot of things have been happening in my life, and in due time I'm going to share it with you guys and everything. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply umber lip for dark skin and brown skin, so you can work those lips. For me personally, I love loud lipstick, a very sharp lipstick. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the different colors of lipstick I do apply for myself. Personally, I love these colors of lipstick, so I'm going to be showing you guys the lipstick I do use, so keep watching, guys. I have my wipe here because I'm going to be cleaning my lip and applying different kind of lipstick in this video. If you are a dark skin and you don't know the kind of lipstick to use because you're dark and you feel that the lipstick will be too large, just try these ones and you see that it will fit you well. So let's get down to the video. So I'll be cleaning my lip. As you can see, I have no lipstick on, so I'm going to be trying some lipstick. Yep. So I'm going to be using this lipstick. It's for Tara lip pencil Ashanti. I'm going to be using it first. This is also for Tara and it's called Ebiere. I don't know, guys, I can't see it because I've had this for a very long time and I can't even see the name, so I'm just going to use this as well. It's umber lips, so you make sure you apply the pink so that it will show. So this one is Ashanti and Ebiere. I really didn't get the name because it was white. Nice this color, guys. It's, let me just say, it's red and orange. I just missed it. If you can get a red lip pencil and orange lip pencil, you're good to go. This is just red and orange, but I'm using Tara. How is it, guys? So I'm going to be cleaning this. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to clean this one and try the other one. I'm going to be trying the other lipstick now, and use my eyebrow pencil in a nude lipstick. You guys are going to tell me the one you prefer on me. So guys, how is this one as well? This one is so calm. I think I like this. How is it? I think my light is not doing justice to my lip. I swear. It's really nice. I swear it down. It's nice. I love this one so much. So, what do you guys think? Please, guys, leave a comment below to tell me the one you prefer. So this one is the second one. I'm going to be cleaning this one now. I swear my lip is going to hurt me after filming this video. Leave in the comment section below what you guys want me to film, and I'll surely do that. Or tell me what you want to see on my channel, and I'll put it up for you people. So the next one that I'm going to be using is thick lipstick, the purple one. So yeah, I think I should use this one last because this one does not move on time. I'm going to use this one last. So this is my get going lipstick. Even if I'm not making up, I'm always putting on this lipstick, as in it's so easy just for me to just put it on. So I'm going to be showing you guys. This one is still like, I know I have my upper lip up is kind of pink. Anytime I use this lipstick, it's always give me like an umber lip. But this one, no, good to go, so simple. This is classic. I think it's Isabella. Yeah, classic Isabella is a Nigeria product. What do you guys think? I'm going to be cleaning this one soon, so the last one I'm going to be using is this one that I said that it does not clean on time. So I'm going to be using this classic purple lipstick, TM classic purple. So I'm going to be using this one. Then NYX Soft Matte Lips Cream. You know, I actually like the way this lipstick make my lip big. Is this showing the light? So yes guys, this is this one. Okay guys, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to now, please guys support your girl. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you all be notified anytime I drop a new video guys. Let's be friends and let's connect more. Instagram, my name is Miss Licious. On Twitter, Miss Licious. On Snapchat, Divalicious. And on Facebook, especially at her name. I'm going to put it down in the description box. See you guys on my next video. Bye.